So now our next piece to this is to determine our scale. All right. And hopefully you did your sketch on Desmos. It didn't have to have a face in it or whatever. I just thought I'd like to show you how I draw a dog. But I have my height of 24 centimeters sketched out here, my width of 20 centimeters, and my depth of 6 centimeters. So this is my sketch of my dog milk bone box. Now I have to find out that scale. So the grid to your left here, if you notice, it's a 20 by 20 grid. And with this 20 by 20 grid, I notice that my height is 24. So I already know that this 20 by 20 grid is going to be too small if one grid line box equaled 1 centimeter. So that can't work. So I can think of a different way of this. And if I have 24 centimeters and I made each grid line box 2, that means I would only need 12 grid lines. Now that fits in the 20 by 20. If I try another one, the 20 centimeters, and I divide it by each grid line has 2 centimeters, that would mean I need a total of 10 grid lines. And then obviously for the last one, if it was 6 centimeters and I divide it by 2, I would need 3 grid lines. So I decided to say that one grid line will equal 2 centimeters for each piece. Now make sure when you decide this that it does fit within this grid line 20 by 20 grid and experiment a little, right? If I did something smaller, I could get bigger space. Just take a look and notice at what's available to fit inside the grid lines.